Have you ever noticed how everything about her changes the moment she senses your energy pulling back? In today's video, we'll uncover exactly what happens inside her mind when she realizes you're no longer interested, and how staying calm, stoic, and self-focused puts you in control of your life. 1. Her first reaction: confusion. At first, she may feel confused. She's used to your attention, your calls, your availability. When you stop feeding her constant validation, her mind starts to race with questions. Did I do something wrong? Why isn't he chasing me anymore? This confusion isn't about you. It's about her losing control of the narrative she had in her head. 2. Emotional push. Testing you. After confusion comes testing. She might text more, create small dramas, or post things on social media to trigger a reaction. This is not love. It's an attempt to regain the attention she once had. A stoic man doesn't get pulled back into these games. 3. Respect slowly appears. As your distance continues, something powerful happens. She begins to respect you. Why? Because self-control and boundaries show strength. Women instinctively respect men who don't crumble under emotional pressure. 4. Curiosity and self-reflection. Now she starts asking herself, what made him change? Was I taking him for granted? This stage often makes her look at her own behavior and realize what she's lost. If you want to know exactly how to handle yourself when she comes back after this realization, keep watching till the end. I'll reveal the mindset shift that keeps you in power. 5. The Stoic mindset shift. You never ignore her out of spite. You do it because you've chosen yourself, your growth, and your peace. A Stoic man understands. Attention is valuable. Boundaries protect your energy. Self-respect is non-negotiable. Conclusion. When she realizes you're no longer interested, she'll feel a mix of confusion, testing, and eventually respect. Your job isn't to manipulate her reaction, but to stay grounded, focused, and unshakable. That's the true power of Stoicism in relationships. Want to learn what to do when she comes back after realizing your worth? Check out my next video, link in the description. Stay strong, stay stoic.